Are you protesting, sir? Okay. You cannot protest inside the building. You can protest outside the building all you want. You're holding a sign, you cannot protest in here.
And this is a public access.
I understand that. But you're also preventing people of the flow of traffic. So
I was not preventing the flow of traffic.
I'm going to need you to step outside if you continue to protest, sir.
And now you have a dog too?
Yeah. Want to see it?
You shouldn't have animals. You do weird shit to them. How come the sheriff's office ain't picked you up yet?
For what? Why would they pick me up?
This shit's crazy. You're still not in fucking jail, and you walk around the street with... You shouldn't. Give me that dog. You're gonna hurt it and do weird shit.
I'm not.
Don't you do weird shit? I'm taking this dog because you're gonna do weird shit to it.
I'm not.
You need to call animal control. You're not. You can't have animals.
That's not yours.
You can't be doing that.
That's not the one that you're getting. If you want one, you can have one, but you can't
No,
have one.
no,
That's my
because
dog.
you
Give me
do
my dog
weird
back.
shit with them. No, dude.
No, I don't. Give me my dog back.
No, man.
Ian.
I'm giving the shit. No, fuck
That is
you.
my dog. It's very well.
You don't act right. You don't act
by
right.
himself.
You don't act right, dude. You don't act right.
You don't have a right to do that, Ian.
La la la. You don't have a right to do a lot of shit you do. I'm looking out for his best interest.
You know what I do, Ian.
911, what's the address of the emergency?
Yes, ma'am. It's 3365 Westland Terrace. Can you have a deputy out here, please? Yeah, dude. Don't let her do something fucking crazy to the puppy, man. Here.
Alright, I gotta call animal control. Was she up on your property again?
She was coming by.
She's on here?
Yeah, on the sidewalk. Then she was all up with this guy here on his stuff.
So I got one, but I got another separate incident. Did she go on the property or just out front?
I'm pretty sure she was out on the sidewalk, but
Okay.
she came up to me, and I took the puppy, dude, because I don't want something crazy to happen to it,
Is she
man.
talking all that crazy
Yeah,
stuff again?
dude. Yes.
Okay. Alright, let me deal with her and
Can't.
I'll deal with this and I'll come back to you. I just don't want her getting fired up, man.
Mom, but they just called her mom. I don't know what her name is. There was another lady that I believe is Shiloh's girlfriend. Yes, they did.
What are you planning for the dog?
Oh man, you're gonna give it back to her?
It's her property, man. I can't take her dog away.
So when this dog turns up dead in a couple days,
I can't work on assumption, man. I can't say that she's gonna do something to it. You know what I mean? Yeah, for a second, let me run through. Don't worry about this conversation. Don't worry about the dog. What are you gonna do with the dog if you go in?
The dog was over with me because I was outside. Because he will follow me on the wall. Come on, boo-boo. Come on. What's up, boo? Does it potty? So it didn't even say. And it got fungus. And it got magic. People come here supposed to see what their personality is like. The last thing I thought was a compost.
is he gonna live that long?
Was she saying anything in reference to the...
No.
He's like, look, I got a puppy, woo! And
obviously.
I just took it and I just went inside the house, dude. Because I don't want her to get away because I know that she has that habit.
Yeah, no, that's why. I mean, we were here pretty
And
quick, man.
more important than taking her to jail, dude, please, dude, don't let her leave with the fucking dog.
That I have no control over.
Something insane will happen to it.
The only way I would even be able to call animal control for that dog would be if
Aren't you taking her for the
she's
trespass
going
anyway?
to jail. That went to the state attorney. It's up to the state attorney if she goes.
And what that? I thought you were gonna do an open PC for 14 days, dude.
Well, with that timestamp not being good and not finding her in the area, I can't prove it disproved. The timestamp was December. That, you know what I mean?
Yeah, we know all that, dude. What about her and the dog, man? Don't, come on, you can at least have animal service come out and talk to her and persuade her to give it up.
There's nothing I can do with that dog, man.
So when you find her a couple weeks, when you pick her up on on that warrant, she's got a decomposing white puppy inside of her bag.
Then we'll address it, unfortunately, then I can't.
Then we're gonna come back to this day that we could have did something about it.
Yeah, but I can't just take people's property. You know what I'm saying? I can't have, say somebody comes up to me and says, hey, Ian's in the house, he's got 2 cats, but I don't trust him because I think he's going to hurt the cat. I can't come and take your pets away. You know what I'm saying? If
Yeah,
she's out
dude.
here, if I pulled up and she's choking it or
She has no food and water for it, nothing. It's dirty.
if she was doing something to it that she shouldn't be doing, then I can address it.
It's basically like a little noose is what she made for it for a leash, bro. How's she gonna take care of this animal?
I get it, man. I understand. I wish
She's living in a tent by Home Depot.
Yeah. Is she still allowed to have pets, man?
What if she ties it to a tree and then like you guys lock her up and it dies out there like that?
I can't work on assumption, man. I can't do the what if. You know, what if she goes down the street and robs R&L? I don't know. You know what I'm saying? Unfortunately. Hello, kitty.
Ask him how he feels about her, dude.
I understand. Listen, I'm not arguing with you, man. I'm not. I'm not saying you're wrong. I'm just saying I'm limited, man. I am limited to what I can do.
There's not a social worker that come out here and talk to her, you know.
I'm gonna talk to her a little bit, man, and see where she's
You know, do you really think you can take care of this dog, man? What do you? I mean, I heard her tell him this one day she's feeding it cat food and all this weird shit. I mean,
I'm with you. Listen, I've never been more with you, man. Like I said, I got 3 of them. I love
law enforcement, law sides, welfare of an animal,
Yeah.
kind of trying to look out for it because I know it's not going to work out well for that dog.
But all she's doing is petting it. You know what I'm saying? If I had something, man, I would.
She also apparently just got it this morning. I
Yeah,
mean,
that's what she was saying. That's what I was trying to figure out.
because she hasn't had it before,
Let
man.
me talk to some supervisors. And, you know what I'm saying? Believe me, if there's something I can do, man, I'm gonna do it.
I can't take that away from you.
That's a shame, man.
I have no authority to.
That's a dead dog right there.
There's a good possibility.
She tried to cut his head off with a fucking machete.
When was that?
I don't know, like a month ago.
Really?
Before I started recording her, all the time, because she smokes meth and thinks demons live in her head. And when she sacrifices an animal, they fucking can come out and all this weird shit.
She's on, no?
She smokes meth and crack and all kind of shit, dude. Can't
I
tell
know
she's
she-
fucked up.
I know
That's why I don't want her having that puppy.
as long as I've known her, she's been messed up.
There's no water, there's no food for that fucking dog. She lives out. What's gonna happen if you guys lock her up for trespass or something? And that dog's tied up to a tree out in the woods. It's gonna fucking die out there.
Well, if I lock her up for trespassing, dog will
I mean, I'm talking like later on today or tomorrow or something.
can't leave that dog in the center.
That dog, I'm telling you, will die if she keeps it.
What?
That video I got of you on his property had a timestamp. You'd be coming with me right
When he
now.
videotaped me
Listen,
at the garbage
I'm just telling
Alright,
you.
I'm listening.
I already submitted it. So you got charges, just like you're talking about that battery. You got charges coming from the state.
You got water and food on you for that dog?
I just fed and watered him. I'm not even.
Okay, it's hotter than hell out
I
here.
know that. I know
And he's tied up in a bag already.
that. He's fine.
The fucking dog's gonna be dead.
Here I go, so I can get him to my kennel.
This is crazy.
Even though I'd like to.
Yeah, very much so. But, I mean,
Anything else?
You better take care of that dog.
I love
I'll tell
him.
you what.
I know.
Just like a child. Okay.
I've done all day.
Yeah.
Well, guys, man, I'll tell you what, dude. Today, I'm going to be putting up another video of you guys and talking shit. And for once, we'll actually feel bad about it because I know that dog has to lose its life. You guys have a nice day.
Hey Charlotte County, this is Charlotte County Cop Watch, and I'd like to thank you for all your years of support through the years. As a result, this channel has grown and allowed me an equity partnership in carmarshal.com. Please take the time to check them out. They help you buy and sell your next car, even have a negotiating tool to save you from the hassle of haggling with multiple dealers. The link is in the description below. Please click and help support and give if you can too through PayPal or Patreon. Thanks again.